Today is a case of androgenetic alopecia, male pattern hair loss level 7, 26 years old from Jinjiang. Father is bald, and because of genetic link, now he the son, he also bald. We have done the smart FE for him, and this is a mega session. We have filled up the graph from the front, the mid scalp, and the crown. Now it's been 2 weeks. Patient have done a good smart graft care. We can see this is the hairline, all the microscalp is already out, all the graft in the right position, intact. There are 3 things that we're looking today: the density, the angle, and the direction. This is the dense packing, this is the hairline, and some irregularity here, and we're coming back here. The single hair is planted at the hairline, and the back 2-3 rows also we use single hair. Coming here double, triple when we put, and we come to the mid scalp, we space out a bit so that we can reach the crown. To get a good result and natural, we have to follow the exact how the natural hair emerge from the center and it goes up at the crown area here.